Hi guys, it's me, Karen K. So again, if you are into romance novels and this time mahilig kayo doon sa mga prince and princesses, mga royal love stories or royal romance. So yon. Please do check out my first book, my first novel, Crowned by Love. This one. Actually, this is a three book series siya. This one is the story of Michaela and Frankie. So, this is book one. May darating pa na book two and book three. So, yon. Please do check this out in Amazon and Amazon Kindle. For Amazon, is the paperback. And for Amazon Kindle, dun sa mahilig sa ebooks. So, or sa ebook, you can check it there. But if you want to grab a paperback copy, it's in Amazon, Amazon.com. It's available international, globally. I mean, so yon. If you are a Philippine resident and want to have a copy, please do send me a DM. I know medyo costly ang shipping from international shipping. So if you order directly sa akin, free shipping siya from me to you. Also, may freebies akong binibigay doon sa mga mag-order. Lalo na if you're a Philippine resident, okay? So, yan. Please do check out Crowned by Love in Amazon and Amazon Kindle. And if you happen to read it, please don't forget to leave a review for the book dun sa Amazon or send me a DM also. Yan. Thank you so much.